Academy. I am the technical director of HIRAC. Today I want to show you how to use HSE Monitor for update of your HSE panel. In order to use HSE Monitor for update of HSE panel, you have to become a member. If you want to become a member, you just click on request an invitation, and then administration create a login name and password for you, and you can use HSE Monitor for update of your HSE panel. For the demo, there is a login name and password here called SCE and Monitor, and you just click on login. When you are in the HSE Monitor, you click on HSE Manual, and when you click on HSE Manual, you click on All here. Then you can see all the sections of the HSE Manual here. For example, HSE Training, Audit Extensions, Safe Work Practice, and all of them are here. What you do here, you click on these files. These are the general files. You update it for your project, and then you update it for your project. Then you click on the view item here, you copy it here, and when you are copy it here, then we put the name of your project or your company here, and just you click on the name of the project or your company, and then you put the attach points here in different languages, and then the HSE manual will be created automatically like this for your project or your company. So these are the HSE manual is very important to be in different languages for certain things, for example, safe work practice, etc. in different possibilities here. And in front of each section there are two icons, and these will be generated automatically in HSE Monitor. One is view item. View item here, when you copy it, you have the possibility to give the comments, and these comments can be given by the authority of the project, and you can also approve it and put it in the system. This is a tracking system, and the other one is for the planning. For example, if you want to do the planning, you can click here. For example, if you want to reach a procedure and put the procedure here and save it here, it will be created here. You can assign the task to the involved parties. For example, whoever you want to give a task. For example, put the task name here and the date that you want, and it will be created here. When it is like this, when it is like this, like personal, and then this task you can give it, edit it, and give it to the concerned party, for example, from the contractors, company, vendors, and then when you give this task will be logged and will be sent to the email of the concerned person or his mobile. So here is this is the task management, and all of the tasks here will be logged here, and you can see by the priority or by assignment which are the tasks that has to be done and which was not closed, and then you can manage them for your project. There are also not only HSE manual, you can use also HSE standards here. For example, if the company has a different standards, for example, this is a fire water pump and trailer standards here, and this will be here. And the important thing is in case of the design or the case of the project, if there is a derogation for this, for example, this fire water pump, the company they can copy this, and they say it is for derogation, and this is by the contractor, and they also derogate from this. When they derogate from this, there will be a derogation list here, and you can see, for example, which are the standards that the contractor wanted to derogate. You can click on here and see all the history behind it and what was the decision of the project. There is also a regulation standard here, and this can be done by the, for example, if there is an authority and if they have access to this, they can insert the new regulation, and then by clicking on this, they can communicate that, they can send the links to the HSE manager of the project for the and the consent body, and they will and then plan activities and tasks for this regulation, the new regulation. So that's the way that HSE manual works. You can always ask an expert. You can answer to your question, and then an expert will answer to your question. And if you need to have a WebEx meeting, if you become a member, you can do the WebEx meeting. And the WebEx meeting is when you arrange a meeting with an expert, you will get an meeting ID, you insert meeting ID with the password, and you enter to the meeting, and you can share the HSE manual standards and discuss with the expert. There is a user guide here, and for the WebEx meeting, how to use it, and you will use this WebEx meeting for yourself. On the top, there are certain links to certain good documents from the ODP and also fact sheet also, that can be handy also for development of the HSE manual. And for last things is that this presentation is supported in the update of HSE manual, and you can use it for the future. Thank you very much, and I hope to have you as our valuable members in future. Bye now.